Hello everyone and welcome to the another video of Stock Watch episode number 41. In this video we are going to discuss about one more stock and we are going to check a different time frame analysis in detail. So make sure you watch this video till the end. हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ यज्ञेश पटेल और आज इस वीडियो में हम एक और स्टॉक के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि रहेगा एक स्मॉल कैप, जहां से हम एक और स्टॉक के बारे में डिटेल में एनालिसिस करेंगे और चेक करेंगे कि क्या इसमें सिग्नल्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं। वी आर गोइंग टू डू मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस। आप मेरे जितने भी वीडियो देखेंगे स्टॉक वॉच एपिसोड सीरीज के, वहां पे मैंने मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टॉक्स के अंदर मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस किया है। ये मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस क्या है? ये एक बहुत ही एक अच्छा और एक एडवांस कॉन्सेप्ट है जो आपको भी एक सीखना चाहिए। जो आप मेरे जो सीरीज है उसके जो प्रीवियस वीडियोस है वो भी आप देखोगे तो उसमें से भी आपको बहुत कुछ सीखना मिलेगा। मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस का जो नेम है उसमें सजेस्ट कर रहा है, वही आपको दिखा रहा है कि हम एक टाइम फ्रेम को नहीं, बहुत सारे टाइम फ्रेम को चेक करेंगे। जैसे कि हमारा जो स्टैंडर्ड वे है जो हम चेक करते हैं मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम में, तो पहला रहेगा मंथली चार्ट, वो एक लॉन्ग टर्म रहता है। लॉन्ग टर्म के चार्ट्स पे क्या सिग्नल्स देखने को मिल रहे हैं वो हम एनालाइज करते हैं। फिर वीकली चार्ट हम चेक करते हैं जो कि मीडियम टर्म होराइजन के लिए यूज करते हैं। एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू एनालाइज ऑन डेली चार्ट विच इज आवर शॉर्ट टर्म चार्ट। सो इन तीनों चार्ट्स के कॉम्बिनेशन के साथ हम एक व्यू डेवलप करते हैं पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक के अंदर, और फिर हम उसके थ्रू एक लेवल, पहला व्यू निकालते हैं बुलिश और बेरिश क्या है, और फिर अगर बुलिश है तो लेवल्स निकालते हैं, बेरिश है तो फिर हम लेवल्स आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं। तो ये होता है मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस जो आपको यहाँ पे बहुत आसानी से सीखने को मिल सकता है। लास्ट वीक में हमने मनाली पेट्रो एक एनालिसिस किया था जिसमें हमको थोड़ा अप मूव मिला, फिर से एक स्मॉल डाउन मूव मिला और फिर से स्टॉक रिज्यूम कर रहा है अपना स्ट्रेंथ। सो उसको भी जाके चेक कीजिए, लिंक है आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा। अगर आप डिटेल में सीखना चाहते हो स्विंग ट्रेडिंग कैसे किया जाता है तो हम नेक्स्ट मंथ के अंदर हमारा एक स्विंग ट्रेडिंग सिंप्लीफाइड प्रोग्राम है STS, वो हम अरेंज कर रहे हैं। उसका डिटेल मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया है, वहां से भी आप चेक कर सकते हो। अगर आप उसमें जुड़ना चाहते हो तो आप वहाँ, हम कॉन्टेक्ट डिटेल भी मैंने दिया है, वहां से आप मेरा कॉन्टेक्ट कर सकते हो। सो ज्यादा समय न लेते हुए हम चेक करते हैं TV18 ब्रॉडकास्ट का आज का डिटेल एनालिसिस। सो लेट्स शेयर माई स्क्रीन विथ यू। Welcome to the screen, and this is the daily chart of TV18 broadcast, and we have seen some sideways to downward movement in last couple of months. Since the July-August month we have seen this is some downside movement, but interestingly we have found some good breakout here on a daily time frame. So that's the very first reason to shortlist this stock as a bullish stock. So let's analyze this stock on a different time frame, multi time frame analysis we called, and starting with a higher time frame monthly chart. And we have seen very good rally from the April month to we have seen here on June month, and the stock has registered around 40 zone, 41 40 zone, and then some retrace back we have seen in this counter. Importantly, we have seen spinning candle in last week and the previous week also a doji candle. So it's a very good reversal pattern from this 4 to 5 candles down move. We call it a reversal. So some kind of might possible up move possible around from this, and this is a monthly chart by the way. So it's a long term chart, and let's check with Fibonacci levels also. So this is the exactly 50% retracement and support near 26.75 around 27 level, and stock is taking support on a monthly basis. So this is a very good sign. And if we can analyze the volumes, and in this rally the volume is very much higher, the extended volume with the wide range candles, and whenever the stock has retraced back a small candles with black body and volume also declining on this decline move. On a spinning candle, very good volume has been appeared compared to the previous week with doji candle. So this is a short of some kind of small consolidation correction here we have seen, and expecting a resume of this trend again from this level in coming next few weeks. So this is the very first observation on a monthly chart, and the RSI is between 40-60, but it is taking support near 40-45 zone, which is also a good sign on a monthly basis on long-term charts. So these are the observations. Let's convert this to the weekly time frame, which is our medium term time horizon. And we have seen a very good rally here, as we have seen on monthly chart as well, good volumes, and this is a pullback, and this is a moving average support also near to, stock is near to this moving average right now, so that's a very good sign. And if we can analyze the Fibonacci level again on weekly time frame, so it is taking support exactly near the 50% zone, which is again around 27 level, 26.90 level. So that's a good sign. So combination of moving average support, Fibonacci support, volume is also increasing with near to the support zone. So it's a sign of consolidation, accumulation here and near to support zone. And in this declining move, the volumes are also declining very much dry, so that's a good sign for buyers. And again, at support level, the strength is resuming with a volumes, so that's a good condition for this stock on a weekly time frame analysis also. Let's check on a daily time frame what is up to showing. And here there is one good breakout of this trend line. Here we have seen this is a good breakout trend line, a big body white candle with a good extended volume wide range candle, and it is the stock is retesting the same level. This is called change in polarity, we call it. This is a CIP, and a very good time to accumulate this stock. One more thing, previously the stock is taking resistance at this moving average here, one more time here, and here. So this is a moving average resistance also, which has been crossed here with the trend line breakout, moving average breakout, and right now taking support at the previous trend line, change in polarity, and also the moving average support on a daily time frame. So there are so many further confirmations we have seen, not a single confirmations, but good confirmations, like this moving average retesting, change in polarity, this trend line change in polarity. And if we can want to further confirm, then we can take this retracement of this small move, and which is exactly near to a 50% zone, near to 51, 50 and 61% zone. So that's a very good sign and high probability trade, we call it, because it is supported by change in polarity with trend lines, moving average, and the Fibonacci levels also kind of support providing at this level. The stock is trading around 29.7 level on a daily time frame, which is our short-term time frame analysis, and expected a good move in this stock in next couple of days. So this is a multi-time frame analysis we have done, and again let me mark the trend line also. So overall, we have seen on monthly time frame good signals, bullish signals. On weekly time frame, it is providing kind of support, Fibonacci also, moving average. And on a daily time frame, there are three kind of confirmations, like retesting of moving average, trend lines, Fibonacci levels also, breakout level retest, and again the volume is increasing in this breakout, and in small decline the volume is declining again. So expecting a good bullish candle in next couple of days, and expecting a good volume also, because of this is a kind of consolidation on daily time frame. RSI is at a breakout level, it was about 60, which is a good sign, and slightly right now between 60-40 because of this sideways consolidation at support zone. So it's providing a neutral signal right now. It's, if once it is crossing the 60 level, we can expect a good rally in TV18 Broadcast Limited in next couple of days. So now let's discuss the levels for this stock. So let's check. First, we are going to check. This is a retracement. So 33.30 is the first level of expected probable target in this stock, and we can also mark one more area to 61%, which is near to 36 zone. So I have marked 36. First target is 33 and second one is 36. Stock is trading at 29.7. We can keep the stop loss below this trend line also, and the kind of consolidation we have seen here. So this is below this level, we can expect stop loss around 28. here. So let me mark the level also 28. So this is our probable stop loss. If once the stock is giving breakout on downside at below 27, below 28, then it's a stop loss for our this stock. And in on the closing basis, we can expect this stop loss. Okay. If so, it is required to close your position once it closes below 28 level. And expected move, the probable target is 33, and the second target is 36. So these are the levels we have discussed. And one standard disclaimer, this is not a buy and sell recommendation, and this is just for educational purpose only. So you can expect and you can learn out of this analysis how we can build our particular view on by analyzing this stock on different time frame. So let's meet on outer video. सो आप सबने ये पूरा एनालिसिस का वीडियो देख लिया होगा एंड आई होप आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा। जैसे कि मैंने अभी डिस्कस किया था फर्स्ट पार्ट के अंदर, मल्टी टाइम फ्रेम हम चेक करेंगे। सो वीकली, मंथली में और डेली में हमको क्या क्या सिग्नल्स मिले, उसको हमने कैसे कंबाइन किया, एक व्यू डेवलप किया, और डेली चार्ट जो हमारा शॉर्ट टर्म चार्ट है उसके अंदर कैसे हमने लेवल्स आइडेंटिफाई किए। सो ये एक तरीका होता है प्रॉपरली एनालिसिस करने का। और मैं आशा रखता हूँ आपको इसमें से बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला होगा। कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए आप कि आपको क्या क्या सीखने को मिला, आपको क्या अच्छा लगा आपको एनालिसिस के अंदर, वो आप बता सकते हो। अगर आप कुछ सीखना भी चाहते हो तो वो भी कॉन्सेप्ट आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हो, सो हम नेक्स्ट कुछ वीडियोस के अंदर उसको कवर कर सके। सो आशा रखता हूँ आज का वीडियो आपको बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा। इसको शेयर कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।